Ito pong mapapanood natin ay ang pagtanggap ni Attorney Kayla Acosta ng National Outstanding Public Servant and Humanitarian Leadership Service Awards of the Year para sa ating Hepe Pauchi Persida Acosta.
Ayan, ginanap ang 4th Global Excellence Awards 2025 sa Admiral Hotel sa Maynila. Panoorin po natin ito.
Hello mga hashtag ka-followers! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ako po si Attorney Kayla Acosta. Ngayong gabi, ang karangalan at parangal na aking tatanggapin sa ngalan ng aking butihing ina, Pau Chief Persida Acosta, ay ang National Outstanding Public Servant and Humanitarian Leadership Service Awards of the Year. Antabayanan po natin ito.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying, Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives.
Cases of national and global interest. You've many of these tirelessly. You've worked hard until they are solved. You've set the bar high in serving the people. You've made the Pau a byword in every household.
Ngayon ko po nakikita mga kababayan na kinakailangan po ng pagtitiis upang ang nasabing paglilingkod at pagmamahal ay tapat nating magampanan. At kung ito po ay ating magagawa at mapagtagumpayan, masisilayan po natin ang liwanag ng kinabukasan. Malalampasan po natin ang anumang pagsubok sa buhay at matatamo natin ang tamis at karangalan ng namamayagpag ang tagumpay. Yun lamang po.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life.
Muli, ako po si Attorney Kayla Acosta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagtitiwala. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at ang sambayanang Pilipino. Persida Acosta, katarungan laban sa kahirapan. Persida Acosta, hustisya para sa masa.